So I'm going to talk about critical political economic theory, and that entails media economics and technology concentrate ownership, and that results in commodification of content and audiences, and public interest is subordinated to private interest. Now, media can be interpreted in many different ways. It could be interpreted as a newspaper, music of any kind, and also TV, which is very popular. Now I'm going to talk about the different types of ownership patterns, and it usually is three. And the first one I'm going to talk about is monopoly, and basically it's when one single company dominates a market, and it's pretty much common and it's pretty big, and it's usually one company. The next one we'll talk about is oligopoly, which is a few firms dominate a market, which is more than four. And then we'll talk about duopoly, which exists when two companies dominate a market. The main ownership pattern I'm going to talk about is monopoly. It is because the main dominant group, because they dominate one market, leading to a decreasing of diverse content, therefore controlling content to a wide audience, excluding other companies to reach out to audiences about their point of view or interest. This results in the audience being exposed to only one set of beliefs or media content onto society. And in chapter 2, Media and Society, basically, in other words, the more ownership is concentrated into the hands of a few, the less diverse and more expensive the media are. And here is an example of how big a monopoly and oligopoly are in its competition.